Would you like your door to look like wood? It might not be wood, but you want it to look like wood, but it's not wood, but you wish it looked like wood? Okay, well today I want to show you how I made this door look like wood. This is a fiberglass door and it's flat. It has no texture to it. And so I want to show you exactly the steps that I did to make it look like that. I ended it with 2 coats of polyurethane, and then I'll of course finish it with the hardware. You know, look. Okay. No, hold on. You will need a wood grain rubber tool, blue tape, indoor-outdoor polyurethane, a gel stain. The color I'm using is hickory, blue shop towels, a 3-inch or 4-inch brush, a can opener. Our first step is to tape off the window so we don't get any stain on here. And then we're going to take off the hardware on the door. I'm brushing the gel stain, and I'm using my rubber wood grain tool here. Now, it dries fairly quickly, so you have to move quickly and do just small sections at a time. So right here, paint it on. Do the little edges on the sides. Now taking the rubber wood grain tool, you're going to rock it back and forth. Okay, so you're going to start from the top, and you're going to rock it back and forth, all the way to the bottom. You want to go in the same direction as if it was real wood. What I've done here is a really good job. That's what. But I'm gonna let it set for 24 hours, and then I'm gonna put another coat on, wipe it off, and then do 1 or 2 coats of polyurethane. You ever heard of it? Around the window, I'm just going really quickly. Make sure you get every ledge and go as fast as you can. You see that? You look at that. This is why it's important to tape it, so you can just be very precise. Okay? See that? Look at that. Here we go. Come on. It looks pretty contrasted with the white on the back and the brown. But what the second coat is going to do, it's going to even that out. There's a kid in this one talking in my video! I've let the 1 coat of gel stain dry, and now I'm going to come back and do a second coat. Cover it nice and thick. Then you're going to take your paper towel and wipe it down lightly, so it's doesn't have as much contrast. These brushes will sometimes shed a little bit, so you just kind of have to watch out for the little pieces that shed, and because you'll have to pick them out of the stain, but it's very easily removable. When it's dry, Jack, put another coat going here horizontally. I'm just going to lightly wipe it. This one I have done a second coat on. This one here. And this is where I have not done a second coat. Just like this stain, I am applying the poly in an up and down motion, just the way of the grain. Here is the finished product of the door. I've put 2 coats of polyurethane and put the hardware back on. So it has a wood look, but it is flat fiberglass.
I'm feeling good about this door.